And let's have a little look at the X series components. Again with the high-res logo upon them. Hoopla. There's a box and some stuff. Materiel. What we have? Here we go. Here we go. Carefully now. Carefully now. Pretty grills. Nothing terribly fancy by comparison to the ones on the horribly expensive entry level for them. At 170 odd quid a JL audio product, but this is a different piece of kit. Very sort of cutting edge of Japanese speaker tech. The Japanese very keen on Kaizen of some small improvements. Ooh, now that's a very different looking rare magnet, is it not? Just vented. Oh yeah, you can see. You hold it still for long enough. The other side. That's very pretty, isn't it? Now there's no components to be seen inside the chassis there that you can actually discern. I'm pretty sure you're not being able to see inside that. Not every time I've ever said this on the 4K camera, people have gone, oh, you can if you only hold it long enough. There are two sets of terminals on the back there, because one would be for the incoming speaker cable, and the other one, well, oopla, here we go. We'll be going to this here tweeter. Now, unless I'm very much mistaken, and you've just seen the other one, I don't think we are mistaken. That looks to me to be the same tweeter product, except that you mount it coaxially. There's a decent piece of quite stout cable upon it, and it's permanently connected. It's permanently connected online. It has a moron-proof disconnect, so that they have different sizes of cable. Am I talking rubbish again here? God, I'm so good at that. Yes, these have colour-coded cables, such that you join the stripe cable to the stripe cable, because they are in fact slightly similar size. They are the same size connector there. These, however, yep, they're the same size little spades. They're just for joining to the speaker cable going offwards to talking rubbish again. Oh, so confused due to stupidity. Tweeter goes to box. Feed comes from second set of terminals on loudspeaker, and the main feed into the speaker is just what goes on to the other two terminals. So with this in line, basically giving you lots of distance. So apologies for just gouging out there completely due to stupidity. Some interesting little bits of kit you get in here, amongst other things. Some cable ties. Very thoughtful of Alpine. I'm going to be obviously plugging these in and testing them, and you'll be able to see these, well, pretty much after this video. Well, just as I was putting the crossover away, it opened up in my hand, because of course, like all the best component speaker systems, they're adjustable. This has got an adjustment that's a bit interesting though. You see the little blocks in there? One of those you turn 90 degrees and it reverses the polarity of the tweeter. And the other one is about attenuation of the tweeter, or lack of it. It says plus 3 dB, but of course this being a passive device means that on that position it isn't attenuated at all. In the middle where it's set at the moment, it's deemed to be normal, and you can reduce it a tiny bit. I'm going to set that to plus 3, and we'll see how it sounds. Meanwhile, cute little device. Just a little addendum to the Alpine unboxing. Quite clearly there was mayhem going on and things cascading around my head, but the grills, when you finished installing them, just like the ones from the JL Audio brand, you get to add these gorgeous little logo things last of all. So, we'd like a good close look at them in 4K. Singing the